A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for frog. G for gun. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for loin. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for orange. P for parrot. R for rose. S for star. U for umbrella. V for pen. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yard. And Z for zebra. Come on, let's repeat again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. And D for duck. Quack quack. E for elephant. And F for frog. Green frog. G for gun. Dush dush. And I for ice cream. Yummy. J for joker. A for kite. I like kite. L for lion. Lion lives in jungle. M for monkey. This monkey is very funny. N for nurse. O for orange. I like orange. P for parrot. This is a green parrot. R for rose. What a beautiful rose. And S for star. U for umbrella. V for van. This is a green van. W for watch. Wow, blue watch. And X for X-ray. Y for yard. And Z for zebra.